Hello, Mandela, and welcome to your first science lesson of this half term. Today, our learning objective is, can I discuss what I know about skeletons and muscles? This term for science, you will be learning about skeletons. I know you've already learnt a little bit about this before. However, we are going to be looking at skeletons in a lot more detail. In this unit, we will learn some key vocabulary, that humans and some animals have skeletons and muscles, that skeletons and muscles support, protect, and help to move the body. We will also learn the names of some bones and some muscles. I'm going to ask you some questions. I want you to have a little think about these and tell Mr. Fox what you already know about these. Our first question is, do you know what a skeleton is? Pause your video and tell Mr. Fox what a skeleton is. Our next question, can you name any organs? Pause your video and tell Mr. Fox any organs that are in your body. And our final question, what are muscles? Pause your video and tell Mr. Fox here what you think muscles are. And these are all things that we will be learning about in this unit of work. Before I explain your task to you, you need to know that this work needs to be done independently. So that means you have to work all by yourself. This is because I only need to know what you already know, as this will help me plan your lessons. So we're going to take what you already know and use that as a starting point to help us to plan our work for the rest of this unit. On the next page, I have a few questions. You may or may not know the answers to, but that's okay. You only write down what you know. So what I want you to do is to think very carefully about what you know about our topic. Let's have a look at our activity now. Your task today is to draw or write about the things you already know about skeletons. So in the middle of your piece of paper, you need to write the word skeletons. And you're going to make a mind map answering these questions for me. Remember, you can draw a picture to show me what you know, or you can write down what you know. So our first question I want you to think about is, what is the purpose of the skeleton? So that's asking you, what job does the skeleton do? Our next question is, do all animals have bones? Have a little think. Do you think that all animals have bones? Our next question, do you know which bones protect which organs? So do you know the name of any bones that protect organs inside your body? Our next question up here, what types of skeletons are there? Can you write me a list of the types of skeletons there are? Our next question, can you name any bones? Can you write me a list of any bones that we have inside our body? And our final question, why does the human body have muscles? So have a little think and answer that question for me about why The human body has muscles. Once you've drawn and written your ideas down for your mind map about skeletons, I would like you to think of any questions you have about the skeleton. So what would you like to find out about skeletons? Write down your thoughts. So write down what you think and write down what you would like to learn. I'm looking forward to seeing what you've already learnt about skeletons in year 3, as I wasn't with you then. So this is really important for me so that we can learn lots of new things about the skeleton together. Remember to take a picture of your work and upload it onto Tapestry for me.